Yesterday, I decided to do an experiment with a new YouTube short channel. So I did my research and started a new channel and uploaded 2 videos. Within the first 24 hours, I was able to get 530 views and 4 subscribers, which I didn't expect. And it proved to me one thing. The quiz niche is one of the best and easiest niches to go viral on YouTube. So I have decided to make more videos and upload them daily. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers within 30 days. My question to you guys is, who is willing to do this challenge with me? Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you should do to start a new YouTube short channel in the quiz niche. What you need to do is follow this exact method I'm going to teach you and upload 2 videos per day. By the end of the first 30 days, your channel will have 60 videos. I'm 100% sure that you will be able to gain 1,000 subscribers within this time. And those who are going to start this with me today, drop a comment. I have created a group for you guys. You can post your progress and directly discuss with me. When it comes to quiz niches, there are hundreds of subcategories such as general knowledge, IQ questions, science, and more. So, based on your passion and interest, you can select any of these subcategories. If you want to be more specific, you can combine quiz niches with any other niches such as football plus quizzes, where you can create quizzes related to football. Not only football, you can combine this with any other sport. You can also do celebrities plus quizzes. These can be about influencers, singers, actors, and even politicians. These are just several examples. If you think creatively, you can find more unique ideas like these. I will show you how to make videos for these niches. So, let's start the process. I'm going to use 2 tools for this process, which are Deepseek AI and VSub AI. Let's start with creating questions first. I'm going to use Deepseek AI for that. Don't worry, you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is copy this prompt and change it according to your requirements. Make sure to use this exact format. So, if you want to ask questions about science or celebrities, just change this part. I'm going to make several quizzes related to general knowledge. Let's generate the questions. Okay, we have some perfect questions and several answer options. Now, let's go to VSub AI. You can use the link in the description. This tool is one of the best AI tools in faceless content creation game. Not only quizzes, you can make videos related to fake texts, Reddit stories, AI videos, and more. For this video, let's use this quiz template. As you can see here, there are 2 templates for the quiz. Let's try this standard level template first. Now, you can have an option to generate random questions if you want, but we already have the questions. Therefore, let's add them to this. First, I'm going to click this Add a Comment option. I will add a comment like this at the beginning of the video. If you answer all the questions correctly, you belong to 5% of the population. By adding something like this, you can force the viewer to watch the whole video. Then, click this Add a Question option and paste the questions. And you need to add all 5 answer options to this as well. You can do that by clicking this small plus icon and then paste the answers. It's really simple. Just like that, I have added all the questions and answers to this. Now, you need to select the correct answers for all the questions. After that, make sure to add a comment at the end, something like, comment how many questions you got right. Finally, go to these settings and select a suitable AI voice for your video, and then click the Continue button. It will take several seconds to generate the video. Looks like the video is completed. Now, let's make some customizations. If you click this voice option, you can edit the speed and pitch of the voice. It's completely up to you. And if you go to these, question number, question, and answers, you can edit the text style. You can change the font size, and colors. It's really simple. Same with this background image option. You can edit the size of this image using this. So, make sure to edit these if you want. Now, let's go to this content option. Here you can see all the images that have been used for these questions. If you want to add your own images to these, you can upload those images. It's really simple. And if you want, you can even regenerate new images for this. Now go to this video option. Here, you can edit the background video. They have used this Minecraft gaming video as the background. You can also use any stock video for this. Click this upload button and upload any stock video you prefer and add it as the background video. Finally, go to this music option and you can upload background music for this video and adjust its volume. Once you are done with the customization part, click this download button to download the video. And now, let's take a look at our first quiz video.
If you answer all the questions correctly, you belongs to 5% of the population. Which planet in our solar system is known for having the most extensive ring system? B. Saturn. Which ancient civilization is credited with building the Great Pyramid of Giza? C. Egyptians. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? C. Vatican City. Which famous scientist developed the theory of general relativity? C. Albert Einstein. Which ocean is the largest by surface area? D. Pacific Ocean. Comment how many questions you got right.
That was perfect, so just like this, you can create quiz videos for any niche within minutes. Now, let's make a multi-level quiz video as well. Again, let's go to Deepseek AI and generate some questions. This time I'm going to do some questions related to the football niche. You can use this prompt to generate these types of multi-level questions for any niche. As you can see here, we have 8 questions. Now, let's go back to VSub AI, and I'm going to select this second template. Let's add a comment at the beginning of the video, like, if you can answer the last 2 questions, you are a real football fan. Adding a statement or hook like this will help you to go viral, so don't forget it. Then, just like we did before, you need to copy the questions and answers to this. It's really simple. After you add all the questions and answers, make sure to select the difficulty level of these questions from here. The first 3 questions are level 1, second 3 questions are level 2, and the final 2 questions should be level 3. And don't forget to add an ending comment about how many questions you got correct or something that you prefer, then click this continue button. Looks like our video is completed. I'm just going to change the background images to some football images. And just like we did before, you can customize this video. It's the same process. And let's take a look at this video.
If you can answer the last 2 questions, you're a real football fan. What is the maximum number of players allowed on the field for one team during a football match? 11. What is the duration of a standard football match excluding extra time? 90 minutes. Which trophy is awarded to the winner of the FIFA World Cup? The FIFA World Cup trophy. What is the term used when a player scores 3 goals in a single match? A hat trick. Which football competition is known as the Old Firm Derby?
This looks perfect, just like this. You can create quiz videos for any niche, and VSub is not that expensive. You can start it with the starter package, which is $29, and it has 5,000 credits per month, where you can create a lot of quiz videos. So, make sure to upload at least 2 videos a day. And with that, I hope you learned some valuable lessons from this video. I will see you in the next one.